Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dean Shah, back with another banger. Today, we're going on an adventure to a place like no other, Madagascar. This island is the fourth largest in the world and home to unique and diverse wildlife. We're talking lemurs, chameleons, baobab trees, you name it. But it's not just about the animals. Madagascar has a rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From lush rainforests to arid deserts, this place has it all. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to explore Madagascar. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Madagascar is massive, guys, like seriously huge. It's the fourth largest island on Earth, and it's teeming with unique wildlife. You know what's crazier than the size of this place? The animals, lemurs, baobab trees. Nowhere else? Madagascar's culture is a beautiful blend of African, Asian, and even European influences. It's truly unique and fascinating. Madagascar's landscapes are insane. Lush rainforests, dry deserts, stunning beaches. It's got it all. From rainforest to deserts, it's a land of contrasts. Madagascar is what we call a biodiversity hotspot. Basically, it's home to a crazy amount of unique species indeed. Madagascar's history is full of twists and turns, from ancient kingdoms to colonial rule. It's truly fascinating stuff. Madagascar has some seriously unique traditions like Famadihana, the turning of the bones. It's intense and fascinating, right? This island plays a vital role in the global ecosystem. Its unique biodiversity is crucial for our planet. Madagascar's rainforests are like something out of a movie, teeming with life, vibrant, and absolutely breathtaking. Don't underestimate the beauty of Madagascar's deserts. They are home to some incredibly resilient and fascinating creatures that thrive in harsh conditions. We're talking about some crazy creatures here, guys. From the fossa to the panther chameleon, Madagascar is truly a zoologist's dream. Madagascar knows how to throw an amazing party. Their cultural festivals are full of music, dance, and vibrant traditions. Get ready to move. Malagasy music and dance are infectious with rhythms and melodies that will get you dancing. Madagascar is home to some incredible historical landmarks like the Royal Hill of Ambohimanga. History buffs take note of this. Don't forget about the ocean. Madagascar's marine life is just as diverse and vibrant as its land-based counterparts. Conservation is key. Thankfully, there are amazing efforts underway to protect and preserve Madagascar's unique and precious biodiversity. Get ready for some deliciousness. Malagasy cuisine is a fusion of unique flavors, with rice as a staple. Yum! From intricate wood carvings to colorful textiles, Malagasy crafts beautifully showcase the island's rich artistic talent. Madagascar's national parks are like stepping into another world, full of incredible, diverse landscapes and unique wildlife. Madagascar is home to a mind-blowing number of endemic species, plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. From rainforests to deserts, mangroves and beyond, Madagascar's diverse ecosystems are a testament to nature's boundless creativity and resilience. Madagascar's geological formations are seriously impressive, especially the Chingi de Bemaraha, a unique forest of limestone needles. Malagasy traditional clothing is often brightly colored, showcasing the country's rich history and diverse cultural influences. Did you know that there are over 20 different languages spoken in Madagascar? That's true linguistic diversity right there. Madagascar has a long history of traditional medicine, using various plants and natural remedies for effective healing practices. Prepare to be captivated. Malagasy folklore is full of fascinating myths, legends, and supernatural creatures that will leave you spellbound. Madagascar is a goldmine for scientific research, offering endless opportunities to study evolution, biodiversity, and unique ecosystems. Agriculture, fishing, and mining are some of the key economic activities that keep Madagascar's economy thriving and growing. From rickety taxis to riverboats, getting around Madagascar can be an adventure in itself, full of surprises and unique experiences. Madagascar is working hard to improve its education system, ensuring a brighter and more prosperous future for its children. Madagascar's political history has been marked by both challenges and triumphs, shaping the resilient nation it is today. From vanilla to textiles, Madagascar plays a significant role in global trade, connecting the island to the wider world. Tourism is vital for Madagascar's economy, but it's crucial to ensure that it is done sustainably and responsibly. Like many countries, Madagascar faces poverty, deforestation, and climate change. Despite the challenges it faces, Madagascar has incredible potential for sustainable development and a much brighter future ahead. So, there you have it, guys. 35 amazing facts about Madagascar that prove just how incredible this island is. From its unique wildlife and stunning landscapes to its rich culture and history, Madagascar will stay with you long after you've left. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Let me know in the comments what surprised you most about Madagascar. Until next time, peace.